on this edition of Quick Peeks. Part of the 5th grade math focus is on engineering, and these students are incorporating research, fractions, and design elements to build their own bridges. I'm David Howell.
Part of the 5th grade math curriculum focuses on engineering. We introduce the engineering process by starting with presenting a problem, asking the question, why? So in this case, we posed the question, how can you safely and efficiently get across a space? The students researched. We learned about different engineers in a project that Emily and Washington Roebling accomplished by building the Brooklyn Bridge. We then investigated different types of bridges and considered what would be the best for our project. The students were asked to design a bridge using only popsicle sticks, paper, tape, Play-Doh, and pipe cleaners to build a bridge that a Matchbox car could be driven across, that it could hold the weight of 8 ounces, and that it could span 12 inches.
These are 12 inches apart right here. Okay? Kind of look at it. We're going to need to measure it out, 12 inches span. We want to add our bridge head.
The students then used measurement to build their scale design. As they build their models, they investigated what materials were working well, and they had to then rethink and reimagine their design.
Okay, so do that again real quick. Wait, do that again real quick, please. How many did you and parts of the bridge, like we both have an idea for different parts?
As the students started working on their models, they started to identify problems and started to identify what solutions and examine what would work and altered their design as they needed.
These beams in them were connected so they could just go like...
Finally, all the bridges were built, and we got to test the bridges to see if they met the standards we expected.
Make sure it's balanced, balance, balance, nice and slow.
Wait, when it fell,
Love to hear that.
it was kind of harder. We would feel like it was in a big group. Because there would be more decisions.
The projects exposed children to real-life applications of math and allowed them to use different skills and collaborate together and have fun.
Summit students building bridges, literally and figuratively. That's inspiring learning. I'm David Howell, and we'll see you next time on Quick Peeks.